And Manwe is ready. Let's go in, Mami.
Yebo asingeneni ku hot topic yethu yanamhlanje lalelani. Hi KVG, hi Sahky. I'm a lady aged 28 years old, married with 2 kids. My husband is 34 years old and he has his own business. He is the breadwinner in his family. He has been taking last born kumba kwavo kuchikoro, but something happened last year. Second term, asati anyora akabata mimba. Aidanana na student teacher. Akagariswa pasi akachema saying mukomana wangu ndo muda. My husband thought she was taken advantage of, but nenyaya kutaura. We realized kuti hapana kumbunyikidzwa kwa akaita. This broke my husband. Zvekuti akatomboita kunge ane depression. So we stay with my brother, who was staying ku farm with my parents. We needed someone to stay ku cottage and help with school run, and my brother is very reliable and trustworthy. In no time, my husband gave my brother a job at his company and started working. That year, my brother's life changed zvekudaro, and I could tell it was God's plan. Hapana kutora nguva tichinzwa kuti tete vari kurohwa nemurume apa vakazvitakura. Eventually akatiza achiti handidzokere kusvikira marriage yakapera isati yatanga. Tete was blessed with a baby boy, and soon after she delivered, Mom called asking my husband to help. Tete nebasa ku company asking Tete to help nebasa ku company kwavo. My husband refused, saying she has to learn the hard way. Mom did not take this lightly. And Shokwaritane kufamba, Mom was expressing her anger toward my husband for taking my brother under his wing. Achirasawe kwake. Now this poison has cascaded down to munuwese kumuri murume wangu. They hate me for no reason. Tete asked kuzondigadza. I had no idea kuti she was coming na mama. Vakandigarisa pasi, vakanditongeza, saying, why hanzvadzi yako ichidiwa stereki? Wakadyisa mwana wangu and ndichamurutsisa chete. From there, my mother-in-law vakanditi, gumbo rangu harifi rakatsika pano as long as hanzvadzi yako iri kudya mari yemwana wangu. I just responded saying, ehoi mama, ndingadi ive dari. I have since stopped making an effort, and to be honest, I can't tell my husband to stop helping my brother because he earned the love and respect from him. It's unfortunate, but that's my story. How do I make them see that I did not cause these issues? Ini zvinorwadza munoziva. Hiyo hot topic yetu yanamhlanje.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Manwe. Our hot topic for today, powered by our friends from Edgar's. So, yeah, the husband is supporting the wife's brother, right?
Yes.
And then it seems like he abandoned the sister.
Yeah, the sister who...
And then got pregnant, yes, at Uchkoro.
Yeah.
All right, and now the mother and nemwanasikana vakuita hondo nemuroro kuti wakadyisa mwana wangu. That's what mama is saying.
Right.
Guys. All right. Shafura Story Fam, hello. Hi, Maswera say.
My contribution is what I'm saying. The meaning to the institution of the day, but the way and the so now. The problem is on the workshop. You want to are cooking more. And the Sudan who are helping one side. I hope I can't stop my husband to give my brother love.
Yes.
Yes. I think I could contribute to side because how many love same side who wanna love you, my brother. I get upon the love to me. Not it upon. I know we are able to issue. In the obvious, mother, the Murume, one of the race among ways, the money man touches the Saura. We separate and that's now that the boss is very pathetic. And then there is an issue in the Sura was and that's young Murume. As soon as I think Wanda, you can't. Maybe a Pana Murume, another Kangaka marriage. achipopota bloodline iye achiona kuti bloodline rako rine some other issues dziri kutove bias already anoona saka anonorerekera kumarriage yake nekuti ndokunenge kune future yake ani murikuona obati aiwe ndotoya kugumirira wega zvitorati zvakadaro but kudepend manje complain inobva kufamily ichiuya kumarriage asi at the end murume uyu nemukadzi wake vanofanira kugara pasi vokurisa marelatives mulife mavo vodzidza kurira malife avo vari true marelatives obatsirwa achibva kumba kwavo kwete kuti marelatives obatsirwa ari mumba macho zvekuti iye akakwanisa kurelesa brother yake sezvakaita sister vanokwanisa kusolva that issue ende munoona kuti bond iyaya yeamweni nemuroora inodzoka nenya kuti ava vabatsirwa vari kure ava vari kure hapasina ari paground mumba mavo uyu anoita zvekushanya yaita zvekushanya achibva kutozogara.
Okay. No, thank you so much for that. He says he's in the same situation, but I think the way he handled, the problem now is arikubatsirwa and arikuonekwa achitonga arikupenya ne help yarwana from the husband is the brother. The wife is saying, but my brother has earned the love and respect, right? Because he was helping with skura and diaita zvinjese zvaidonzi aite pamba. The brother was also supporting the sister, but then the sister chose marriage.
She chose marriage, chose her own plan.
Yeah.
Akatoyenda. So now why is it that this family wants to blame this?
Yes.
And they're not even blaming the brother.
Yeah, they're not blaming the brother. They're blaming Murora and Uti Arwans Une and Janzi Irgo benefit. Dobaneng Star FM, hello.
Hello, good evening.
Oh, good evening, my boss. Are you well?
Very well, thank you. In any to come with a different angle.
Yes.
I don't know the word that I want to use is okay, but
I hope it's radio friendly.
No, it's okay. The person are still right up and the mama on my film. Why? Because the mother is not supposed to tonge samurora. Because nemwanasikana akasarudza nzira yake ega and no one forced her and inzira yedu tese vakomana nevasikana kuti tinozongoita sei tinozongoenda but maendero now tero iwawo ngaasa of course the guy anzani hanzvadzi yake yakatsamwa because munhu waanga akatarisira zvakanaka kwaari.
Yes.
So amai avo she was supposed to be the mother ogara naona masaidzi ese kuti murume sei adai mwana uyu tomubatsira sei because ukavenga mukadzi uyo asina kana chaaita you are being hauna zvauri kuita.
Yeah.
I think that's what I think. So the mother is the problem here, not anyone else.
But what does she do now? Because Ato Takura blame say and Jesus Otanisana, does she just let it go and then Josorizo Gajega?
No, nyaya ikai epachivanhu chedu inenge yakuda kutosolvwa nevakuru vakaita sana sekuru ndo vangatogara votaura naamai voyananisa vana.
Okay.
Because amai vapinda pakati pemwana wake nemuroora. Exactly. Saka pakuda ana sekuru nanatete nanambuya vari weuno vanoziva chivanhu so that voyananisa vanhu because ikasiwa yakadai so iri kutowedzera kuti wooma nyaya.
Yeah.
That's what I.
Thank you so much for that, Story Family. Taswira Maswirao, please go ahead, Babong. Mati Babong.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, my brother. Story Family.
Hello, hi, KVG, how are you?
I'm great, thanks. Thank you so much for calling. Please go ahead, boss.
Okay, thanks. I think I have a different view of this case.
Yes.
My view is, in as much as Manawe akakanganisa akaradza kutora a good decision, but now, Anne family yake, she needs to take care of herself and the family. So we should not continue punishing this child as if it's no longer a child. Muna ane mori anafana kuwa responsible for the family. So we should otherwise try to help to assist her from where she is as the mother ane mhuri yake. So this I feel this lady is not doing justice. Aitofanira kubatsira tete kuti vakwanise kumira nemusha wavo. The way she wanted to a brother to be helped, she also needs to make an effort yokumeka sure kuti vabatsirika vaita a family setup iri right.
But how stay with me, how do you do that now when the head of the house, your husband, is saying kuti I've tried everything kumubatsira ndaramwa ndageza maoko pahanzvadzi yangu? What's her role as the wife to try and talk to the husband, convince him kuti aiwa mubatsirei chete nekuti munhu akati handichada zvechikoro ndaakuda zvemusha, kumusha kwatobva anotanga kurohwa ikoko ndokuzodzoka kwaakaita?
Yeah, so that's the thing now ndeyekuti akufana kugara pasi nemunhu wake. So you look what vana vanomeka madecisions ari wrong. You think anenge akaconvincwa nemukomana, you know, yeah, it happens. You make decisions, bias decisions, thinking kuti you are going to settle well, but it goes the other way. So issue iripo ndeyekuti now the responsibility is now there. We now need to help the child kuti aite se responsibility yavapo yaanayo agone kugrow up, because what we are doing, we are destroying him. At one point in time, this lady will be surprised kuti anogona kuti find a way yekuzodzoka otozodzoka obva achizogara mumba paya iye nemwana wake vogara vese otete vakazogara panapa achapedzisira asazvifarire futi.
Yeah, nyaya yacho nayo iyi yakaoma. Ma-voice notes enyu ari kupinda regai tiona kuti tinokwanisa kuita press play on some of the voice notes here so that we just balance dari redu vasiri kukwanisa kufona vari kupinda nema-voice notes.